What's up? It's your boy Asid Tone. A few weeks ago I did a video on how to create your own backdrops, how to do it for less than $15. The week after that I did a product photography video on how to create better moods on product photography, and this week it'll basically be an addition to last week's video. Last week I did the Remy Martin product photography photos, and then this week I'll basically be doing the same setup. It'll just be in a video format, more like a Remy Martin commercial.
One life, live them. Remy Martin.
Alright, so I did use this gimbal. This gimbal was $400 or $500. That's pretty much it. Use the same lighting setup, the same props. I just used this. I just wanted to share that with you guys this week, just to update you guys on what I got going on this week, what I've been doing this week, and I'll see y'all in the next video.